Sorry for the commotion, guys. I'm playing Subway Surfers. Sorry, I was so quiet at first. And as you can see, I've already gotten tagged by with the space outfit. So I'm gonna keep playing for a while on camera, and I might play off camera a little bit and make a 2-story video. I don't even know what that means, but I meant a 2-part video. You probably knew that if you watch like DanTDM and stuff. So yeah, magnet. There we go. And oh god, dang it! I'm not using my keys. I'm saving them. So as you can see, I got 4,000. I suck at this game. So, oh god, that was awful. Look at this blue key. It was probably worth it. I need a lot more coins. I spent it on this board. Let me show you it. Once I go down. And if you don't know what Subway Surfers is, what's wrong with you? I mean, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's too cool. Ask your mom or something. I'm not gonna tell you. Oh god. Oh. That was the loss of a couple coins. Dang it. I should have gotten that flower. What the? Okay. Let's go again. So, getting a couple coins here. Going up. Going up. Wait. Oop. And somersaulting robot. This game is so fun. Oh crap. Retry. A flower. Surprisingly, I only have 2 flowers. I got a bunch more. Oh yes, daily challenge complete. Woo! What the heck was that? There was a bunch of coins balled up. See that? That is called a glitch. It's called the glitch, people. Called the glitch. Even if I did run into that train, it wouldn't be worth it. I almost touched those cords up there. Just a lovely stroll in your neighborhood subway. Until you do that. Oh yeah, guitar. 198. What's it? Of course not, I'm not gonna double up. Let's go home. No. I'm not going to Italy yet. I'm gonna get the prize. I'm trying to save up for the toy outfit, but obviously I'm not, because space outfit is way cooler than this thing. Also, I'm trying to save up for, not the Daredevil. I'm pretty sure 50,000. That's not that much, but it's still sort of a lot. Superhero, the Lumberjack. 130. Holy God. That sideways. Super jump. Big Ohana. Stay low. Okay, I'm pretty sure... I can't remember the one I'm saving out for. But I'm pretty sure it's, this one. The bouncer. 280,000! That's gonna be a while. Unless I, like, buy that stuff. Which I'm not. Because I didn't start my business yet. And my mom won't let me. Oh, mystery box is just lying out in the open. Caboose. I'm just gonna take that. Thank you very much. Yay, a coin. Woo! Need a double thing. Or at least a magnet. I'm gonna try and look at the missions after this run. Woo! Do do do! Woo! Woo! Do 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 do! Woo! Double coins! Yes! I'm getting so many points right now. Got ×9 right now. Wish it was Tagbot Thursday. Dang it, I really need this magnet. The super jump boots sort of have like a magnet effect. Oh god. No. Oh god, we're going so fast. My eyes are like crossing. Sort of like how you do in Jetpack Joyride. Woo! Keep on. Just keep running, just keep running, don't let the cops get you. I think I got a new high score. Oh my god, a UFO! I have never gotten one of those things before. And I didn't double up, I am such an idiot. How did I not get past this? Oh my god, rage quit.